Ah! Oh! Ah! Come back here! Ah! Ah! Yeah! 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 Where could they have come? Ah! Get him! Oh, comment down below. Ow! God.
Hey, where are them birds? All my friends are birds, and they're not even here anywhere around here. What the heck? We're a bunch of crazy. Haha, Red always comes out on top. Red, awesome. Red. They should call me Super Red instead of stupid Super Red. He's not super. I'm super. He's. Hey, I got Red. I'm not calling him Super Red. He ain't even super. I'm like Super Red is all super. Dang old Bluebird, man. I was trying to talk about Super Red. Super Red ain't that cool. I mean, he cool, but he ain't that dang old cool. Hey, you don't talk bad about Super Red. Super Red, awesome. Yeah. You a yellow bird. Idiot. Man, don't talk bad about Yellow Bird. Yellow Bird, my friend. Don't you know that? Now who next to come punch me? I am, because I'm big old fat ass bird named Big Red Bird. Yeah, there ain't no one behind me, so yeah, I'm walking over here. Bah. Hey, what was that? Something just went on behind this. Man, shut up, pig bro. We're supposed to wait here. We're supposed to be freaking spying on the eggs or something. Oh, okay. Arrgh! Oh, shoot. I bet you didn't expect me, the helmet guy, pig, to do that, but I did. Yep. Nah. Helmet pig, you might even know. You were supposed to not come for our pig bros, and you just attacked them. But I'm cool, helmet pig. You're getting a demotion. You're no longer helmet pig. You are demoted helmet pig.